FAQ. What is informal diversion in criminal justice? Welcome to Doc's CJ FAQs. Today we are going to answer the question, what does informal diversion mean? Informal diversion is a method used in the criminal justice system to address minor offenses committed by first-time or low-level offenders without resulting in a criminal conviction or record. The objective of informal diversion is to avoid the formal processing of the case through the court system, which can be costly and time-consuming, and to reduce the number of individuals entering the criminal justice system. Informal diversion programs are typically offered by law enforcement agencies or court systems. These programs involve the offender agreeing to certain conditions, such as community service or counseling, in exchange for the charges being dropped or not pursued. These programs are designed to hold the offender accountable for their actions while avoiding the negative consequences of a criminal conviction, such as difficulty finding employment or housing. Let's break this down further. First, the concept of informal diversion is rooted in the idea of restorative justice. Restorative justice focuses on repairing the harm caused by criminal behavior through cooperative processes that include all stakeholders. This approach can lead to transformation of people, relationships, and communities. Informal diversion is a practical application of this philosophy, aiming to address the harm without the stigma of a criminal record. In both the adult criminal justice system and the juvenile justice system, informal diversion plays a significant role. In the juvenile justice system, it is often used for minor offenses committed by juveniles who have no prior record. These programs typically involve counseling, community service, or participation in educational or vocational programs. The goal is to guide juveniles towards better behavior without the harsh consequences of formal judicial proceedings. For adults, informal diversion can help individuals who have committed minor offenses avoid the life-altering consequences of a criminal record. This can include difficulties in finding employment, securing housing, or even pursuing higher education. By completing diversion programs, offenders can demonstrate their commitment to making amends and improving their behavior. There are several benefits of informal diversion programs. 1. Reduced recidivism. Offenders who successfully complete these programs are less likely to reoffend, which reduces the burden on the criminal justice system. 2. Resource allocation. The use of informal diversion programs frees up resources that would otherwise be used to prosecute and incarcerate low-level offenders. 2. This allows the system to focus on more serious crimes. 3. Personal development. Offenders often receive support through counseling, education, or vocational training, which can help address underlying issues such as substance abuse or lack of employment skills. However, informal diversion is not without its challenges and criticisms. Critics argue that these programs may not be equally accessible to all individuals, particularly those who are low income or have limited access to resources. This can create disparities in who benefits from diversion programs. There is also concern that informal diversion programs may not adequately address the underlying issues that led to the offense, such as substance abuse or mental health problems. Additionally, there is a risk of informal diversion being overused, particularly for more serious offenses. This can undermine the criminal justice system's credibility and public confidence. If offenders perceive that they can escape serious consequences through diversion, it may reduce the deterrent effect of the law. There is also a concern that such programs may be used to circumvent the legal process, particularly in cases where the offender is well-connected or has the resources to avoid prosecution. This can create a perception of inequality and injustice within the system. In conclusion, informal diversion is a valuable tool in the criminal justice system for addressing minor offenses committed by first-time or low-level offenders. It offers numerous benefits, including reduced recidivism, better resource allocation, and personal development for offenders. However, it is essential to ensure that these programs are implemented fairly and effectively to avoid potential drawbacks and maintain public confidence in the justice system. Thank you for watching Doc's CJ FAQs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the criminal justice system. See you next time.